Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back. This is my month of FlyLady decluttering and cleaning series for February 2019. Today's date number 21, and guess what? Yesterday I did the little 15 minutes in real time to show you how much you can do in 15 minutes, and I'm going to do the same thing with this here and see how much I can do in 15 minutes. The reason why I'm doing that is because the bedroom is clean. It's just cluttered. I have a lot of stuff that should have been at the door a long time ago. Now when I do the closet tomorrow, it's definitely not going to be taking 15 minutes. But what I'm trying to do here is A, show you that you can do a lot in 15 minutes, and B, really get rid of stuff that I've just not been able to get rid of. And you guys have seen me declutter my bedroom a gazillion times, and I really think that this is the hardest area for me to declutter. It really is. It's not because I like stuff, it's because by the time I get to the bedroom I'm usually exhausted and I really don't care anymore. And plus I don't like clothes. I don't like to buy them, I don't like to wear them. Not that I want to go around naked, but you know what I mean, right? I really don't care for clothes. So when I get into this area and I got to do the clothes, I'm just like blah, you know, don't want to deal with it. But I have a few ideas of what I want to do. One, I'm losing weight finally, so I want to get rid of some stuff. And then there's some stuff in there that I keep hanging on to in the hope that I'm going to lose that much weight. It's not happening. Come on. I'm going to be a size 6 again, okay? Or 8. Alright, so those clothes, they're going to have to go. But anyway, I'm going to do 15 minutes in here. So, same thing that we did yesterday. Get in your bedroom. Go by your bedside table. If you have one, or your shelf. We all have something by our table where we put things, okay? We're going to set the timer for 15 minutes, and we're just going to go through it as fast as we can and remove as much as we can. I really have issues with keeping too much in here. It's kind of like the hidey-hordy thing. I just stash stuff in here, and it makes no sense because when I'm looking for something, I got to empty the whole thing. You know, like the clown car, and chances are I won't even find what I'm looking for in there. So let's get going. And hopefully we're not going to find anything embarrassing in here. It should be on Scott's side. Okay, let's put the timer on for 15 minutes. Are you guys ready? Let's go. I'm not going to edit. I'm just going to go through the whole thing. Let's start with the bottom. Okay. We got a ton of stuff here. These are the sleep in peace things, because we have somebody who snores. And it ain't me. Okay, that can go. That can go. This has been here for ages. I got it at TJ Maxx for like $3. That can go. Here's one Bible. Okay, lotion. This. I started reading this. It's garbage. It can go. This, I still haven't started it. So I'm keeping it, but it's got to go somewhere else. This, I started reading it. I don't even know if I liked it. I gotta give it another try, so keep. Okay, here's my journal. I'm gonna keep that. Don't need this. That's for the alarm system. This, I read it about 3 or 4 times already. I don't need to keep it. The camera manual, I don't need it. Everything's online. More of these, don't need. You see, you can do this. Light bulb for the salt lamp, yes. Lighter for candles, yes. Pair of scissors. This was great. The gift of imperfection. One of you sent me that. With a little tag in it. And I really like that. That was good. Okay, I don't need to keep this. Do you see the dust? Alright, this. That can go. Wall Street Journal Guide to Understanding Money and Market. That goes downstairs. More toilet paper. It's like the gremlins, they're all over. This, keep. Look what we got. Alright, keep all of that. And, oh, here it is. I was looking for that. It fell last night. Okay. Another clip. Okay. Okay. Alright. So that was drawer number 1. Drawer number 2. I think keep. Okay, this I'm really enjoying. I'm reading this right now. I really like it. Another one of those. They can go. I don't want to wear those things anymore. This is excellent. It's, you remember that? Put your best look forward. This was for teenage girls on how to be confident, poised, elegant, put makeup on back in 1950 something. Really interesting. One of you sent me this. I still have to read it. That's keep. That can go. Remotes. Fitbit. Keep that, but probably somewhere else. Tiger Balm, yes. What do we have here? That's good. A bunch of magazines here. Are they quoting magazines, aren't they? Yes. So that goes downstairs. How much time do I have? I still have 11 minutes. Cat stories. One of you sent me this. That was really good. I didn't finish it. And then other animal stories. It's easy to read. Oh my God, look at this. Garbage. Did I even read it? Yeah, I started reading it. Garbage. Keep that. Okay, that can go. It's old. A flashlight that needs batteries. Keep. That's the remote for the humidifier. That's the spray. Keep that. I gotta get my refill. This is almost finished. I got bored with it. So that can go. That can go. Pen, 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 another pen, a pen, and a pen. And more pens. This is my pens. I use them for my Bible reading. Pen. Okay. A Best Buy card. I gotta destroy it because that account's been paid off quite some time ago. Don't need it. This is a yes. This is old camera stuff. So that's a keep. Tool. Somebody sent me this from New Zealand. Love it. Keep it. Microphone. You can't make that stuff up, right? Okay, that's meds. I'm gonna put meds in here. Meds. 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 Cough syrup. More cough stuff. I gotta clean this. This is great. Pen. Hair thing, and my hair's not too long. I don't need that anymore. And a hair clip. Okay. So I have 8 minutes left. I'm going to put it on pause. And I'm going to clean the inside of the drawers. And I'm going to put things back. Okay? Be right back. Can you believe how much stuff I had in there? It's pretty crazy, huh? Okay. I'm going to start with the top drawer, and I did go pick that up. Everything's been clean. I took that out of the trash because that was where I put my brushes, because I need to contain things. Oh, wait, we got to put the timer back on. Hold on. Because we set 15 minutes. I got 8 minutes left, y'all. Okay, 8 minutes. Okay. In here, I'm going to put things like this. Remote control. This that needs batteries. Tools. Okay. Let's put it this way. And I'm going to keep the meds. A lot of it is left over from when I got really, really sick in December. So we're going to keep that in here. Meds, right there. I hope you can see. Okay. Then the stuff I'm definitely using on a regular basis almost every night. So I'm going to use my little sarcophagus here. And this is what I'm going to do. All of my what you call them, earplugs are gonna go in there with my little thing for lips. Okay. It's a good container for that. Napoleon would be horrified if he knew that I was using a sarcophagus to put earplugs in, but what am I gonna do? Okay, scissors, because you never know when you need scissors, right? Okay, here's my old iPod. I can't let go of that because we don't use them. An old ID card, that's gonna go somewhere else. Oh, and my little eye patch. Okay, now, things I currently read. This book, and this book, and my journal here. And since I'm journaling, I'm also going to put my pens in here. And then I have two Bibles. I have this one, and then this one here is the one I used before that I've mentioned. This one is Old English. I'm having a hardest time reading it. I've tried my best, but this one is New Living Version, and I really like that better. So guess what? That goes in here because I do scriptures. Okay, so this is done. I have what I'm currently reading, and that's all I'm keeping here. Now at the bottom, I'm going to put the stuff that's reading next. I'm still keeping this because I like to read both. It helps me. I understand Old English. This, I really want to read it. These I'm always, not this one, but this one I'm always looking at. I still want to read this. And these two. I'm going to keep my body lotion in here. Okay. And this is a page marker. Okay. This goes downstairs. This goes downstairs. These electronics here go downstairs, and I am done, and everything else can go. And I got 4 minutes left. This goes downstairs with the quilting, and that's it. Yep. So look, not even 15 minutes, and look what I've been able to do. I got 4 minutes left. Right, so I have 4 minutes left. All of this here I'm letting go of, not the shoes. Move the shoes out of the way. So I still have this thing here, and guess what? I gotta go through it too. This is a keep. This is a keep. These are all the ones from France. This is a keep. Keep. That can go. What do we have here? That can go. That can go. That can go. That can go. That can go, go. All of this is go. This is what I'm keeping now. And I can guarantee you the next time I'm going to do a round of declutter, this thing is going to go. But for now, I'm keeping it. Okay. Wow. Look at all you can get rid of. Not that. In 15 minutes. Isn't that amazing? I'm in awe of how much I had in there. And it looks and feels so much better now when I open it. I got everything I need is in here. You know what? The medication, it's not like I use it every night. So I can move it to the bottom drawer. I like that little red basket. Here we go. And that gives me room for my body lotion. And I have everything I need. Tools in case we need them, because there's a window here that needs to be whatever. I have my books. I have the books I'm currently reading, my journal, I have my Bible, my pens. I have all of my earplugs. I need to buy some more. And then over here I have all the meds. Though this one is daily, but I need to refill it, so I'll put it up there. Books that are upcoming for reading and meds, and that's it. 15 minutes. And we have 1 minute and 27 seconds, guys. No excuse. Grab a bag, put all that stuff in, whatever needs to be, keeping this. Whatever needs to be sent to Goodwill, like the books, put them in a separate box, keeping this. Everything else at the door. Very happy with this process. 15 minutes. It's amazing how much you can do, right? Guys, I will see you tomorrow, Friday, when we do my closet. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye. Look, 51 seconds. I still didn't make the 15 minutes. Amazing. Talk to you later.